इंक्लाइंड प्लेन बनाया, यहाँ पर ऊपर वेट रख दिया, जो भी है उसका वर्टिकल डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में वेट नीचे आ रहा है, तो नॉर्मल रिएक्शन सरफेस से परपेंडिकुलर है, F इक्वल टू ma फोर्स से उसको खींच रहे हैं, तो ऐसे में mg जो है उसके दो कंपोनेंट बन गए, एक तो n के ऑपोजिट बन रहा है, एक ma के ऑपोजिट बन रहा है। तो लेकिन एक चीज और है, mg साइन थीटा बस mg का कंपोनेंट है, बस जो नीचे एक्ट कर रहा है, लेकिन इसके अलावा भी एक फोर्स और एक्ट करेगा जो है F इक्वल टू ma के अगेंस्ट में यहाँ पर, एंड दैट विल बी कॉल्ड ड्रैगिंग फोर्स के कारण से बनने वाला फ्रिक्शन, जो कि पीछे की तरफ एक्ट करेगा ma के ऑपोजिट। तो ध्यान देना जरा, अकॉर्डिंग टू given condition we get the relation from the diagram. We don't have to explain the thing ki mg has got two different components. We may write, but not required as such. So what exactly happens as mg according to diagram we have already written down mg cos theta, which is balancing the value of n, normal reaction, first one. Second one, first part, second part, and mg sin theta and fk both are in the same direction, that's why both will be added together, but both the forces will be balanced by the upward force, that is F equal to ma. So that's why we will have a relation, what, mg sin theta, that is one. Second one, sk is already there, equal to what, F equal to ma, that is capital F. This may be considered as equation number 2 now, right now. But we still have something to deliver, means we have to change these values. Why and how? We will have Fk as, see what Fk is. Fk is nothing but mu k into n. You can see. But what was n? We may write mg sin theta plus Fk is actually mu k n. We may have equal to F, F equal to ma, F equal to ma. You can see that F equal to ma. You will have that can be taken as equation number 3 now. First one is that one. Second one is purely this one. But what could be done further? N is, you already seen that n is equal to mg cos theta. So what happens? We will simply put the value there. Now, from the equation 1 and 3, we have equation 1 or 3. What do we have? We have certain relation. Put that value. mg sin theta is already there, plus mu k is there. But what was n? N is actually this one. We may put mg cos theta, but that both the terms will be equated to ma, you know. Both the terms will be equated to ma. Both the terms will be equated to ma. You can understand. Now you can see m is common in all the terms. Take m common. What is the rest part? M inside, that is G sin theta, plus that is mu K G cos theta equal to MA. Equal to MA. Sorry. M is cancelled from both the side. What is the left behind part is A equal to, take G common. That inside the bracket will be sin theta mu K cos theta and G is along with. This is the final derivation we require. Do it right now, everyone.